10 most beautiful sea creatures in the world. 10. Sea spider. One of the most beautiful, strange sea creature in the world is the sea spider. Also known as Pantopoda, this little creature is found in oceans all around the world and has more than 1,300 known species at this time. It normally has 4 pairs of legs, but species with 2 and 3 pairs are also found to be existing. Each leg can vary from 0.04 inches to 27.6 inches in length. Because of their thin and small body, they don't have a respiratory system, as the gases move in and out of their bodies through diffusion. Also, they are not real spiders, but they are considered to be their sister group. 9. Mantis shrimp. Grabbing the 9th spot on the list is the beautiful mantis shrimp. These bizarre but beautiful creatures are found in the Indo-Pacific Oceans. They have bright coloration and come in different variants like blue, orange, green, and red. They have colored eyes and are considered to have the most extensive and elaborate optic system in the animal kingdom. They have 12 photoreceptors for color analysis, whereas humans only have 3. They can see objects from 3 different corners of their eyes. Eight. Tube anemone. Found in oceans all around the world, the tube anemone is one of the most beautiful sea creatures in the world. Also known as tube-dwelling anemone, this wonderful creature has several wonderful traits. It can range from 8 to 12 inches in length and is tolerant to a wide variety of temperatures. It has a long cylindrical body with a crown of tentacles on one end and pointed feet at the other. It uses its feet to burrow into the sand and then leaves only the mouth and tentacles on the top. Seven. Nudibranch. Grabbing the 7th spot on the list of the most beautiful creatures in the world is the nudibranch. Found in oceans all around the world, these gorgeous little creatures have more than 3,000 species. They have a bright colored skin and can also change their coloration according to their surroundings. This is a self-defense move to keep themselves out of sight of their predators. They normally feed on sponges and sea slugs, but can only have one kind of prey per species. They cannot swim and are very slow in their locomotion. 6. Seahorse. Coming from the hippocampus genus of sea creatures, the seahorse gets its name due to its striking resemblance to a horse. It has 45 known species in the world. They ought to live in the shallow tropical waters and temperate salt waters all around the world. It has a horse-like head and an upright posture with a curled tail. Which makes it magnificently beautiful. Its size varies from 0.6 to 14 inches. And has bones popping from the skin all over their body. These bones are arranged in the form of rings, and each species has a different and distinct number of rings. Five, mandarin fish. Of the most beautiful fish in the ocean is the mandarin fish. Living in the inshore reefs of the Pacific Ocean, this fish is covered with tiny spikes over its blue-colored skin. These spikes are lethal and can inject toxins into anyone who tries to handle it. This fish is known for the fact that, unlike other organisms on Earth, this little fish can produce its own blue color through pigment. Its whole body, from head to tail, is striped in orange and blue. Which one is most beautiful according to you? Tell us in the comments below. 4. Leafy Sea Dragon. Commonly known as the Leafies, the Leafy Sea Dragon is definitely among the most wonderful sea creatures in the world. It lives in the southern and western waters of Australia, and gets its name because of its long leaf-like lumps coming out of its body. These lumps act as a disguise to hide from the predators in plain sight. Its fins and neck are completely transparent, which makes it seem like a piece of seaweed floating around. They are very popular among the local populations, and is even the state emblem of South Australia as well. Three, sea anemone. Named after one of the most beautiful flowers in the world, the sea anemone is among the world's most beautiful sea creatures. This cute little creature lives in oceans all around the world and has more than 1,000 species. They are normally found at the seafloor and remain attached to it due to their adhesive legs. They have come in pale as well as fluorescent colors and have a cylindrical shaped body. They have numerous tentacles around their mouth that are filled with poison. These tentacles are further used for finding food as well. 2. Flamingo tongue snail. Native to the western waters of the Atlantic Ocean, the flamingo tongue snail grabs the second spot on our list of most beautiful sea creature. They range from 0.98 to 1.38 inches in length and live in the coral reefs in the water. They have a very colorful skin with their coloration varying from bright pink to orange, having black spots on it as well. To a human eye, These colors resemble to that of a shell, which makes it very hard to find. One, starfish. Definitely one of the most beautiful sea creatures in the world is the starfish. This beautiful little creature is found in all the oceans in the world and has more than 1,500 known species till now. They have bright colors and come in different variants like gray, brown, blue, red, and orange. The striking effect of these colors are used to hide from their predators. They belong to the family of sea cucumbers and sea urchins. They have different arm number species as well, ranging from 5 to 40 arms. Which one is most beautiful according to you? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching.